And parts of our region are still cleaning up after severe weather hit our area last week, bringing with it tornadoes and even some flooding as well.
And one of the places impacted the most was Ferrell Hospital in El Dorado. News 3's Paul Wilcoxon has the latest on their recovery.
Ferrell Hospital in El Dorado remains closed 6 days after heavy rains caused the drainage system to overflow and flood major parts of the hospital.
After we had the water recede and we were able to kind of take a look at things, we brought in restoration company that specializes in this type of cleanup and this type of work.
And according to Ferrell Hospital CEO Tony Keene, the recommendations from the restoration company are clear.
There's a significant amount of the hospital that's going to have to be repaired because of the nature of the standing water.
That means people who are hoping for a quick reopen of the hospital will have to wait a little while longer.
Deconstruction process will probably take 2 to 3 weeks, and then we'll have reconstruction crews coming in after that. So we're looking at probably a minimum of 4 weeks for this process, maybe as high as 6 weeks.
Meanwhile, Ferrell Hospital is extending hours at several of its clinics, allowing healthcare providers to continue seeing patients.
We have clinics in Carmi, McLeansboro, and in Harrisburg, in addition to another clinic here in El Dorado. So the physicians that were here on site, they've been dispersed to the other facilities, and so they're seeing their patients in those facilities currently.
And the most important thing for Keene is the fact there was not any significant disruption in care, and he credits the staff at the hospital for stepping up during this time.
The staff has been amazing.
And Keene says, when it's all said and done, safety and making sure the job is done right is their #1 goal.
There are requirements, both from a federal and state standpoint in terms of the restoration that takes place. So we're following the guidelines that are appropriate for a healthcare facility to make sure that the cleanup is done appropriately.
In El Dorado, Paul Wilcoxon, News 3.